Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Would you like to know the next best thing to real granite shelving?
Well, you have found it in this beautiful diamond granite pattern shelf liner. I really appreciate that the bounded back has a pattern easily used to measure and to cut your shelf size to give a nice finished look right on the edge. I just love the difference it makes in my cabinets. It hides all the aging and paint imperfections. My dark stoneware dish set looks beautiful on this diamond granite, and it protects any scuffs I would make from daily use. I was able to do another long shelf, a piece to protect my microwave on the top, and my utensils drawer with the rest of the roll. Even a ketchup stain can't stop this diamond granite from shining.
I think this diamond granite shelf liner is top notch. It really brings my shelving to another level in my kitchen, and I love it. I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.